Hi guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to share with you two home decor ideas. One is a display centerpiece and the other is a glammed up candle holder. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and then hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're an oldie but goodie returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. So guys, if you are interested in how I created these two home decor ideas, just keep watching. So right here I picked up some glassware from the Dollar Tree and from my dollar store. I picked up this wine glass and I picked up that small prep bowl from the Dollar Tree. So right now I'm going to begin with the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So right now I'm going to use some painter's tape and I'm going to tape off the areas of the bowl and the glass that I don't want to paint. So now I'm going to be painting these items with this DecoArt metallic paint. This color is called Shimmering Silver. So now I'm just going to paint the glass. I am going to paint this 3 times, letting it dry in between each coat for about 20 minutes. I'm also going to do the same to the prep bowl. So now that all the items are painted and dried, I'm going to use some silver glitter. This glitter packet I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So this comes in like 2 shades of silver. You get a black, you get a white, and they also had it in fall colors. Also, this glitter looks so cute, guys. And if you want to see a small fall haul from the Dollar Tree, just let me know in the comment section below. So right here, I'm just going over the glass with a thin coating of that silver paint. And while the paint is wet, I'm just going to sprinkle some glitter over it so that it can all dry together. I prefer for the glitter to be on top of the paint and not mixed in. So here I'm going to do the same to this prep bowl, and now I'm going to just put a little bit of glitter. I'm going to shake a little bit of glitter on top of that and let that dry. So now I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge, about a tablespoon of Mod Podge in this bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to mix that well, and now I'm going to seal the glitter to the glass and to the prep bowl. So here I'm just removing the painter's tape very slowly and not to mess up the work. And that's what that looks like. And I'm going to do the same to the stem of the glass. Just remove the painter's tape. And after I do that, I'm going to get ready to decorate the wine glass. So I'm going to use the diamond wrap. I'm going to cut some of them into single pieces. So right now, I'm just going to put the single pieces of the diamond wrap along the edge of the area where I painted. So now I'm going to glue a strip of the diamond wrap along the edge of the glass. I'm going to use some hot glue and glue single pieces of the diamond wrap along the base of the glass. So that came out really nice, guys. I love the way that looks. So now I'm going to hot glue a single strip of the diamond wrap along the base of the prep bowl. And now that that's done, I'm going to start working on the bowl. So I'm going to use some diamond wrap and I'm going to adhere it to the edge of the bowl. So now I'm going to hot glue a single roll of diamond wrap on top. So right here, guys, I'm showing you that I'm going to use some permanent glue to adhere these two pieces together. I'm going to use a little E6000. This is a permanent glue, and I'm going to just put a little bit around the base of the prep bowl, and I'm going to set the larger bowl on top. I'm going to center it. Here I'm just placing a bag of coins just to add some weight, and I'm going to let it cure for about 24 hours. Guys, I love the way these two pieces came out. One is simple and elegant, and the other is ultra glam. You can use the bowl as a punch bowl if you like, but I'm really loving the way they both look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.